we're going to take a look at an example here of a triangular-based pyramid, which can be the most confusing because it's a little bit different from a square-based pyramid because the base is a triangle and the lateral area is only 3 sides instead of 4 sides. So a few things to be careful for as we're going. Now, first of all, we have this triangle here, and you're going to notice that the base is often shaded in a different color. In this case, it's shaded gray, and then the lateral area is going to be shaded with, or is not going to be shaded, it's just going to be white. Doesn't matter what pyramid we're dealing with, we're going to use this formula right here. Surface area is equal to the base area plus the lateral area. Very, very, very important. You have to take a look at what is the base area. Well, the base area is that triangle on the bottom. Okay, so take a notice that our two triangles that are listed have a base length of 8 meters both. Yep, they're both 8 meters. Sorry, it's even tough for me to see really quickly on the screen. But we have a base length of 8 meters. Now, if it's not labeled, we're just going to assume it's an equilateral triangle. So the bottom there has 8 meters. And then the two heights of our triangles, one is the base height, which is 7 meters, and the other one is our slant height, which is 11 meters. So they are a little bit different. This is different than a triangle that has all 4 sides, which you might see as well. So in this case here, first thing we're going to do, we're going to look at what is the base area. Well, our base area is a triangle. 8 times 7 divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. Okay, that's our triangle formula. We just use our triangle formula. There's nothing special about it. It's just the regular formula that we're going to use. Now, the lateral area is also a triangle, but now we have 3 of them. So the base length, still 8. The slant height, which becomes the height of our triangle, is 11. And we're going to multiply it by 3. And so this is what it's going to look like. 3 times, now 8 times 11 divided by 2. Okay? So be careful on that. Be very, very careful in how you go through and solve that. You need to make sure that you are finding the triangle in there and then multiply by the number of triangles there are. Now, if you're asked to find only the lateral area, just the second part. You don't need to find the base area. But if you're asked to find the whole thing, we put it all together. Now, solve them both individually, solve it all together. That is for you to do. You should have an answer of 160 square meters, which is the surface area of the entire triangular prism, the triangular pyramid.